In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Tradovate account with the TradingView app. Whether you're setting this up for live trading or just wanting to explore the demo mode, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your TradingView app and log in using your TradingView credentials. Once you've successfully entered the app, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the Trading Panel tab. Go ahead and click on that. This panel essentially serves as your gateway to different brokerage options available on the platform. Among them, you'll see Tradovate. So let's go ahead and select that from the list. This is where you'll enter the realm of connecting your Tradovate account. Now, a window will appear prompting you to enter your Tradovate username and password. Take a moment to type those in. After filling in this information, you'll see an option to select between live or demo trading. Depending on your current needs or level of experience, choose the one that suits you. If you're practicing or exploring the platform, demo might be the way to go. Otherwise, if you're ready for the real deal, opt for live. Then click on connect. If you're utilizing an evaluation service that grants you free access to TradingView, you'll want to sign in with those specific credentials here, rather than your standard Tradovate account details. Once connected, your Tradovate account is readily available for use within TradingView. One of the great things about this is that any market data subscriptions you have with Tradovate will now be seamlessly applied to your TradingView chart. This means you get to enjoy the full power of market insights without needing an additional TradingView data subscription. It's worth mentioning that it might take a few minutes, up to about 5, for these subscriptions to become fully active on your Tradovate account. Should you notice any delay or hiccup, a quick restart of TradingView should put things right. Just a friendly reminder, you will need to ensure you have an active Tradovate market data subscription to view detailed market insights on TradingView. However, there's no need to invest in a separate TradingView data package for using your Tradovate account within the app. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your Tradovate account is linked to your TradingView platform, positioning you to make the most out of both systems. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're ready to explore the full potential of your trading journey. Thank you for watching and happy trading.